Polymers are very versatile material and have many unique properties like transparency, low density, good strength, flexibility, easy processability, etc. But sometimes we want a material that has some of the properties of one polymer and some of the properties of other polymer. Instead of synthesizing polymer with all the properties we want, we try to mix polymers with other polymer or reinforcing fillers to form a new material that will have some of the properties of both the polymers. Mixing of polymers not only gives the desired properties but also reduces the cost of the material. If a polymer is mixed with another polymer, the resulting material is known as blend. And if the polymer is mixed with reinforcing filler, the resulting material is known as composite. Now let's discuss polymer blend and polymer composite one by one. Polymer blend is a combination of two or more polymers. Those are mixed at molecular scale to obtain a single phase. That means instead of getting properties of each polymer separately, one set of properties is obtained by mixing two or more polymers. Blends are usually obtained by melt mixing or by dissolving in solvent. If the two or more polymers are mixed together very well at molecular scale, then they form a homogeneous single phase, and the blend is known as miscible blend. This type of blend shows only one TZ in DSC or DMA scan. If they do not mix well, the blend is called as immiscible blend, and this type of blend clearly show two distinguished TZ. Although both miscible and immiscible blends are equally important. Some example of miscible polymer blends are polyphenylene oxide polystyrene blend, polyethylene terephthalate polybutylene terephthalate blend. This is a scanning electron microscopy image of polyethylene terephthalate polybutylene terephthalate blend. PET PBT is a miscible blend, and we can see as in the image it is difficult to identify both the polymers. This is due to their miscibility at molecular level. Whereas example of immiscible polymer blends are polyethylene polypropylene blend, polystyrene polybutadiene blend, polyethylene terephthalate polyvinyl alcohol blend. In SEM image of polyethylene polypropylene blend, we can clearly see that these two polymers are not miscible, as both the polymers exist in two separate phases. Now let's discuss polymer composite. A composite material is formed by combining two or more materials that have quite different properties. The different properties work synergistically to give the composite unique properties. Most composites are made up of just two materials. Polymeric composites are made of polymer matrix and filler. Fillers are also referred as reinforcing material. As in most cases, reinforcing material provide strength to the polymer matrix. These reinforcing materials can be continuous fibers such as glass, carbon, aramid fiber, short fibers such as glass fiber, chopped glass fiber or chopped carbon fiber, layered materials such as exfoliated clay, spherical particles such as glass microsphere, particles with irregular shape such as carbon black or fumed silica, etc. The polymer and filler combine together via strong chemical or physical bonding, and the composite material exhibits superior properties compared to its constitutional materials due to synergic effect. Another greatest advantage of composite material is their lightweight. Therefore, by choosing an appropriate combination of reinforcement material and matrix material, it is possible to produce material with desired properties that exactly fit the requirement of a particular application. Here is an example of clay polymer composite. Clay has layered structure. In a clay composite, we can easily identify clay and polymer matrix. When clay is mixed with polymer, the layers open up and give strength to polymer matrix. Since clay is very cheap, it also reduces overall cost of the material. Polymer composite materials have huge applications from household to aerospace application. Now there is a new class of composite which is known as hybrid composite. In hybrid composite, instead of one reinforcing agent, two or more reinforcing agents are added in the polymer to achieve desired properties and also to reduce the cost of the material. In summary, blends are made of when two or more than two types of polymers are mixed together at molecular scale. They can form homogeneous miscible blend or heterogeneous immiscible blend. Polymer blends show one set of properties instead of properties of each polymer separately. Whereas polymer composites are made of polymer and reinforcing fillers. Combination of these two results multi-phase composite with superior properties.